An American resident, Donald A. Gorsk, consumed his 26,000th McDonald's Big Mac on October 11, 2012. This is after eating Big Macs on a daily basis for 40 years. The surface speed record set by the lunar rover on the moon is 10.6 miles per hour. The largest school in the world is a K-12 school in Philippines with an enrollment of about 24,800 students. The longest Monopoly game ever played was 1,680 hours long. That's a whopping 70 days straight. The Plaza de Toros, Mexico, which is located in Mexico City, is the world's largest bull ring. The first known city to reach a million in population was Rome, Italy, in 133 BC. London, England reached that mark in 1810 and New York City reached that mark in 1875. The longest bout of sneezing recorded was by Donna Griffith. It began in January 1981 and ended in September 1983. It lasted 978 days and 4.7 million Gosendaites later. The most powerful earthquake to strike the United States happened in 1811 in New Madrid, Missouri. It shook more than 1 million square miles and was felt as far away as 1,000 miles away. In 1939, the biggest hog in recorded history was one named Big Boy of Black Mountain, North Carolina. He weighed in at 1,906 pounds. The highest price ever paid for distilled spirits at auction was $79,552 for a 50-year-old bottle of Glenfiddich whiskey in 1992. The world's fastest growing plant is the giant water lily, growing almost a foot daily. In Holland, you can be fined for not using a shopping basket at a grocery store. An old law in Bellingham, Washington, made it illegal for a woman to take more than 3 steps backwards while dancing. In Pennsylvania, ministers are banned from performing marriages when either the groom or bride is drunk. Alaska, Hawaii, Maine, and Vermont are 4 states in the US that don't allow billboards. Policemen are allowed to bite a dog if they think it will calm the dog down in Paulding, Ohio. In one city in Switzerland, it was once illegal to slam your car door. According to an Atlanta, Georgia ordinance, smelly people are banned from riding on public streetcars. In Fort Thomas, Kentucky, it's illegal for your pet to molest a vehicle. You should not own more than 110 pounds of potatoes at one time if you live in Midwestern Australia. In Alabama, it's illegal to wear fake mustache that causes laughter in church. In Hartford, Connecticut, it's illegal for a man to kiss his wife on Sunday. In Italy, it's illegal to make coffins out of anything except wood or nutshells. It's illegal in Waco, Texas, to throw a banana peel on the road because a horse could slip on it. In Mojave County, Arizona, if anyone is caught stealing soap, they must wash themselves with it until it's all gone. In Athens, Greece, a driver's license can be taken away if the driver is found to be poorly dressed or unbathing. In North Dakota, no one can be arrested on 4th of July, an American holiday that is commonly known there as Five Finger Discount Day. The entire Encyclopedia Britannica is banned in Texas because it contains a formula for making beer at home. It's illegal in St. Louis, Missouri for a fireman to rescue a woman wearing a nightgown. She must be fully clothed if she wants to be rescued. In Russia, you can be fined if you have a dirty car. It's illegal for a man to be sexually aroused in public in Indiana. Utah is a state that allows marriage between first cousins, only if both are over the age of 65. Talk about kissing cousins. In Alaska, it's illegal to tie your dog to the roof of your car. In Logan County, Colorado, it's illegal for a man to kiss a woman while she's asleep. Women in Florida can be fined for falling asleep under a hairdryer, as can the salon owner. In North Dakota, it is legal to shoot an Indian on horseback as long as you're in a covered wagon. It's illegal in California to lick toads. Apparently, there are some people who go around licking toads to get high. Unfortunately, some people were being harmed by the toad's poison. My God, human beings are weird. In Ziegler, Illinois, only the first 4 firemen who arrive at a fire will be paid. Women in Whitesville, Delaware, could be charged with disorderly conduct if they propose marriage to a man. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. The subscription link is in the video description below. Subscribe.